I cannot lie, I'm a little bit anxious. My stomach is doing flip-flops. I have not flown on a plane since I was like 9 years old. And I'm just a tad bit nervous, just a little bit. Part of me is excited. Part of me is a little bit sad because my baby was sick this week and I really hate to leave her like that, but I cannot back out on my plans as of now. So time is getting close and I am excited. We are now en route to the airport. Say hi, Kirsten. We're headed to Mexico. We have arrived to the airport, getting ready to walk in. Okay, my hubby. Y'all, like I've stated before, we are in line. I didn't even know how to tag my bag. This is really an experience for me. I am feeling so, I'm not trying to offend anyone, but illiterate by this. Y'all, this is a process. Now we're standing in the security line, trying to get to the other side. I just don't want to miss my flight. So we are now getting ready to go through TSA security check. And I completely forgot that you have to take your shoes off. I have on sandals with no socks. Stop doing all that in my camera. And I'm going to have to walk on this nasty floor because I have to take my shoes off. And I just didn't even think about that. I hear about it all the time, but didn't think about it. It's funny. Oh, it's getting close. My anxious factor has just gone up.
We're going to ask that you take the safety information card out. Follow along as we cover the important safety features of this Airbus A319.
Baby, chill out.
Just landed in Puerto Vallarta. I'm trying not to talk so loud so people won't look at me crazy because I'm vlogging. All we've done is walk through customs, immigrations, and they have offered us shots, margaritas, and everything. We still haven't even made it to our destination.
You ready?
Yeah, she's taking a tequila shot.
Oh, keep recording,
and
baby.
a chaser.
Oh, yeah. That's the case. Now you record her now.
Negative. Bottoms up.
And then the chase. There we go. That's like what 20 minutes.
Hey y'all, congratulations.
Thank you. What room are y'all in?
south side. Nah, I just the south side of H-Time. You gotta pick side, yeah, the south side, the south side. Raise your hands to do the south side, the south side, yeah, the south side, the south side. Shock and rock and do the south side, yeah, the south side, the south side. H-Time, yeah.
Y'all, this sand is hot. OM to the G. Ooh, it's burning the bottom of my feet. I don't know if I'm gonna make it to the water. This is our last day here, and we are on our way to breakfast. At this point, I am just like over it. This vacation was nice. I had never taken one as an adult. It was very relaxing. I mean, I absolutely enjoyed it. I'm over it. I'm ready to go home. How are you feeling this morning? Are you really ready to go? Are you really enjoying the scenery?
I am.
Can you please speak to my beauties on my channel?
Hello.
Buenos dias.
Buenos dias.
After viewing that menu, we are now off to this buffet spot where we ate breakfast on yesterday. Something that is familiar to me. We're in Mexico and they didn't even have breakfast tacos. They had burrito, but it was only egg burrito. You could get a little chorizo in it, but I want some French toast. I want an egg omelet with some nice veggies inside. Said that I was enjoying the wedding festivities so much that I completely forgot to vlog. I did insert a few videos from Snap, which I don't like to do when I'm vlogging. But it is so hard to vlog, snap, post on your Insta stories, and on Facebook. I need an assistant just to do that. We are now headed back to our room, getting ready to check out of this place. Are you gonna say adios?
Adios.
For now, not quite. I'm just too excited. We have gotten closer. It's 20 minutes away, 25 minutes away from, oh Lord. I accidentally pressed up and we are going down. We are 25 minutes away. Okay, so I think I'm just too excited and ready to go home. I press the up button when we're going down, drop my bag. But we are saying adios, Puerto Vallarta. We are so over the trip. Look how over the trip we are. It's been nice. We have enjoyed. But it is time to go. Boarded and heading home. See you next time.